guys, welcome to Megan's Wreath Boutique. Today I am just working on some of these yarn balls that I use as picks to put into my wreaths. And this one is a Valentine's Day themed one. It's red and white. So I was just using out my new hot glue gun that I was sent. It's a Monvict hot glue gun, and I wanted to tell y'all a little bit more about it. Here's the box it came in. So some of the really cool features that I like about it so far, I've used it just to start gluing this yarn down. It does have two settings on here for the heat, and I really like that because I've had hot glue guns in the past that just have one setting and it either gets too hot or not hot enough for what I'm using it for. And the reason I like that it has two different heat settings is because for projects like this where I'm using like a styrofoam ball, I don't want it to necessarily get hot because it will melt this styrofoam. So this first setting has been working perfectly to not melt this styrofoam ball. But I will bump it up to the higher setting when I'm attaching things to my wreath because I want the glue to get hotter and just have a more secure hold when I'm attaching things to a wreath base or something like that. So some other cool features that I like is it comes with this stand that helps it stand upright, and that's cool because it helps it not drip so much when you're waiting for it to warm up, or when you're working on a project. It hasn't been dripping at all, honestly. And it also has the regular standard base. If you want to take this stand off, it's really easy to get it off. And also it came with these finger protectors, which are pretty cool. It has 3 different sizes, so depending on your finger size that you want to use it for, you can find the correct size option for you. And it also came with 15 glue sticks, so that was a nice surprise as well. And I will say these glue sticks are a little bit longer than the glue sticks I was using before. So that's also an extra added bonus that I like. And yeah, so far it's been working really well for me. Let me show y'all. It's really easy to squeeze. The glue distribution is nice. And like I said, I've had some glue guns in the past that will just constantly like leak basically the whole glue stick out when it's just sitting, and that drives me crazy because I use a lot of glue sticks. So I haven't had that issue with this one so far, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, I mean, it's been working well, you know, just like a standard glue gun. So if you're in the market for a new glue gun, I definitely recommend giving this one a shot. I'm gonna put the link for this glue gun down in the description below. It was sent to me from Amazon. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you with anything you're curious about. Also, I did want to mention this is a corded hot glue gun. So if you're looking for a wireless one, I'm sure they have options for wireless, but this is the one I was sent. So it is a cord attached hot glue gun. So yeah, hope y'all are having a great day, and stay tuned. I'm going to be using this hot glue gun throughout this month. I'm going to be working on other projects as well, so I'll check back in with y'all in a couple weeks and let y'all know how it's working out for me. But in the meantime, Hope y'all have a great day. And again, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you would like a tutorial on how I make these little yarn balls, let me know as well. And that's something I would be happy to put together for y'all. All right, thank you for watching.